they go on their way to Valiant, and then my friends will be getting off from my other friends to take the train back to Hugo with the local. So they're gonna hook the eastbound with the local bound, and they're gonna head back to Hugo. So. Well guys, hope you all enjoyed that video guys. I'm using my new tripod stand guys. My mom got it for me as a gift, and so I'm using it, and so later on I'll buy me one my own self and buy one that stands up out up here, and I thank my mom for giving me it as a gift. So guys, please share, like, leave me comments below. Guys, if you feel like you've been if you're being stalked by somebody or anything like that, always you know guys what you should do. I tell you what, last night I felt unsecure that there was somebody somewhere in Valiant that was stalking me. So I don't know who it is, but I done told my dad about it, and so we're gonna find out who this mystery stalker is, and put her or him to justice. So exactly. So I was down. The stalker was around at 2 o'clock at 2:11. Yeah. So, but the Queen Eastern Railroad came in, and they just came in the van at least around at 2, because they had to drop off a couple of loads off and switch a couple of loads out in Wright City. So tonight they should be heading this way. So they got to stop at Greg's probably, or they might stop up at Greg's or at Hubert. So they might be going through tonight. So I'm not gonna be out that way today. I'm mostly staying here local. But I'm about to end this video, guys. Share, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for sticking with me, and thank you for being my fans. And I thank all of my subscribers, including the newest one. I got 19 now. All I need is 20 more, and more 20 more, and please help me get to at least about 2K, 1K, or to higher, just like Danny Harmon and all the other railroad photographers are. So that's what I'm shooting for. But guys, I really wish, or maybe I might ask the railroad and see if they want to do a contract with me, filming their trains, just like I do right now. But a contract is, I'm contracted to be their photographer, so I want to do that. I want to do that for the Queen Eastern and the Kiamichi Railroad. I could photography a lot of companies, especially the short lines here on the Kiamichi Railroad and the Queen Eastern. But I'd love to sign a contract with those two railroad companies and be their railroad photographer, because I could be out just like I am right now and stuff like that. So they're going to Valiant. They're going to meet with the local run, and so the East Run is going to meet with them, and then my friends driving the East Run, they're going to go home, and my other friends are going to take the whole entire train back to Hugo at the exact same time. So hope you have a good weekend, and if you have a homecoming, please be safe. Don't be drinking, don't be doing that. Mostly stay sober. If not, hope you have a designated driver, but mostly do not drink at all. So so guys, do not drinking and trains do not mix. So guys, and don't be doing dinos in the parking lot and stuff like that, all that type of stuff. Always be cautious of trains and stuff like that. So see you guys later. There goes my friends. They're on their way to Valiant. So. like, share, comment, subscribe. Please help me out there. And this goes also for my friends on the all my friends on the Kiamichi Railroad, and they would love it if y'all subscribe to me. They would love it, and so they want to see me out here. So guys, if y'all want to see me go photography a lot of different railroads, please support my channel and support me and leave me some good comments, and tell me if there's any good locations that you may want me to go film, and I'll go film it, because I'm up to film different trains, but I need y'all help to support me, and so I can go somewhere else, go 100 miles to go film a train. The closest railroad near me is the Kansas Southern Railroad. That runs east of us. I'm east of here, so I know a couple of locations that I can film that railroad company. There's a couple of spots. Heavener's a good spot. Ashdown's a good spot, and a couple of places between Ashdown and Texarkana, and there is a Union Pacific Railroad down there in Texarkana. But I don't mind filming a train down there as well. But also Houston, Texas is a good spot. It is actually a rail fan hub. It's a hot spot for UP train. So guys, I'll make more videos, but y'all have to keep watching them and support me and do everything in your will to keep me going, and I will try to be out there as good as I can. But I'm also working, so I'm fitting in my schedules between working and stuff like that. So that's the reason why I'm not making much videos. You're not seeing much videos, stuff like that. So right now I'm making videos right now for you. So happy railroad fanning. See you guys later. See you next time on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad, guys. Woo! Known as the KRR. Catch you guys later. Marshalling out.